Okay, student, welcome back. We're gonna do today Waymaker with aQWERTYon. So as always, go to my website, Google Mr. Velez Virtual Music. It's gonna take you to my website. Go to Music Tag, aQWERTYon, scroll down, and find Waymaker. Here are the chords, and here is the song. So I'm gonna open the song with the original YouTube music, and the song is, let me then put this in two windows. Because I need those chords. Okay, I need A. First chord is A C sharp E. Okay, this song is in the song of, the root is E because it's in the key of E. So all your chords are here. First chord E, second chord. That's why I prefer my left hand, but you can do it also with your right hand, okay? So our first chord is A. Second chord is E. Third chord is B, which is gonna be our fifth one. And then C sharp minor. So A, and that's it, only 4 chords. A, E, B, C sharp minor. Let's do it with our right. A, E, B, and C sharp minor here. And that's it. And then we can play with the song. Let me do it with my left hand. Let me put it down. Then C sharp minor. And then start over again. Okay. Go to B. Then C sharp minor. And that's it. That's the entire song. So check it out. Do it with your right or with your left. And hope this was helpful. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.